Pixel 11 release date leaked. Google's next flagship Tensor G6 chip, Pixel 11 Pro Fold, and August launch timeline. Here's everything you need to know before the official announcement. The Pixel 11 series is already creating a lot of buzz, even though we're still months away from the official launch. But thanks to leaks, past trends, and Google's recent strategy, we now have a pretty clear idea of when these phones could arrive. Let's start with the big question: when is the Pixel 11 coming? Google has changed its launch strategy in recent years. Earlier, Pixel phones used to launch in October, but now, the company has shifted to an earlier timeline. The Pixel 9 and Pixel 10 both launched in August, and it looks like Google is sticking with this new schedule. According to current leaks, the Pixel 11 series is expected to be announced in mid-August 2026. Google usually holds its events on a Tuesday or sometimes Wednesday, so based on that pattern, possible dates could be August 11 or August 18. These are not officially confirmed, but they fit perfectly with Google's usual timing. Now, what about pre-orders and availability? If things go as expected, pre-orders will likely start on the same day as the announcement. That's something Google has been doing consistently. As for when the phones actually go on sale, you can expect them to hit stores by late August or early September 2026. However, there's one exception. The Pixel 11 Pro Fold might follow a slightly different timeline. Just like previous foldable models, it could be announced with the lineup but released later. For example, earlier foldable Pixels took extra time before becoming available in stores. Now let's talk about the lineup itself. The Pixel 11 series is expected to include 4 models: the standard Pixel 11, the Pixel 11 Pro, the Pixel 11 Pro XL, and the Pixel 11 Pro Fold. This means Google is continuing its strategy of offering multiple options for different users, including a foldable device for those who want something more advanced. So why did Google move its launch to August in the first place? The answer is simple: competition. By launching earlier, Google gets a chance to grab attention before Apple announces its new iPhones in September. This gives Pixel phones more time in the spotlight. It also helps Google target the back-to-school season, which is a big time for smartphone sales. And there's another benefit: fewer leaks. By shortening the time between announcement and release, Google can keep more details under wraps. Now let's talk about what's actually new in the Pixel 11 series. The biggest upgrade is expected to be the new Tensor G6 chip. This processor is rumored to be built on a Cyber-M process, which means better performance and improved power efficiency. In simple terms, your phone should feel faster while also saving battery. The Tensor G6 is also expected to focus heavily on AI tasks, which has become a major part of Google's strategy. Alongside that, the phones may include a new Titan M3 security chip. This should improve device security and protect your data more effectively. There's also mention of a new MediaTek MN90 modem, which could bring better 5G connectivity and faster network speeds. When it comes to cameras, don't expect massive hardware changes. Google is likely to keep similar camera setups but improve the experience through software and AI. This means better image processing, smarter features, and more advanced tools powered by AI. Speaking of AI, deeper integration with Gemini is expected across the system. This could enhance everything from voice assistants to photo editing and daily tasks. Design-wise, the Pixel 11 series will likely look familiar. You can expect the same flat sides and overall shape, but with some refinements. The camera bar may get a cleaner, fully black design, and there's hope for slightly thinner bezels. So overall, the Pixel 11 series is shaping up to be more of a polished upgrade rather than a complete redesign. It's about improving performance, adding smarter features, and refining what already works. And as we get closer to the official announcement, more details will start to come out.